In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create a business email in Hostinger. Having a professional email address like info@yourdomain.com instead of a generic Gmail address instantly makes your business look more trustworthy and credible. The best part is that Hostinger makes the entire process very simple, and I'll walk you through everything from login to creating your first mailbox. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple website and hosting tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, go ahead and log into your Hostinger account. Open your browser and head over to hostinger.com, then click on Login in the top right corner. Enter your email address and password associated with your Hostinger account, and once you're inside, you'll land on your main dashboard. This dashboard is where you manage your hosting, domains, and emails. From the dashboard, look for the Email section. Depending on your layout, you may see it directly in the menu, or you might need to scroll slightly to find it. Click on Emails to continue. Now you'll see a list of domains connected to your Hostinger account. Select the domain name where you want to create your business email. For example, if your website is yourdomain.com, choose that domain from the list. Once you've selected your domain, you'll be taken to the Email Management area. On the left-hand side menu, click on Mailboxes. This is where all your existing email accounts are listed, and it's also where you can create new ones. To create a new business email, click on the button that says Create Email Account. Now you'll need to enter the details for your new email address. First, type in the email name. This is the part before the @ symbol. For example, you might enter info, support, contact, or your name. So if your domain is yourdomain.com and you type info, your full email will be info@yourdomain.com. Choose something professional and relevant to your business. Next, create a strong password for your email account. Make sure it includes a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to keep your account secure. Hostinger may also provide a password generator, which you can use to automatically create a secure password. If you use the generator, make sure to store the password somewhere safe, like a password manager. After entering the email name and password, double-check everything to make sure there are no typos. Then click on the Create button. Within a few seconds, Hostinger will set up your new mailbox, and you'll see it listed under your Mailboxes section. And that's it. Your business email has been successfully created. Now, after creating your email, you can access it in a couple of ways. You can use Hostinger's webmail interface directly from your dashboard, or you can connect this email to third-party apps like Gmail, Outlook, or Apple Mail. To do that, you would use the IMAP and SMTP settings provided inside your email account details. This allows you to send and receive emails from your professional address using your preferred email app. Creating a business email is an essential step for building a professional online presence. Whether you're running a small business, freelancing, or launching a startup, having a branded email address builds trust with clients and customers. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Hostinger and website tutorials. I'll be posting more step-by-step guides to help you grow your online presence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.